Hello guys, so basically today we'll be doing binary to deanery. So binary are the term like used in computer and what languages computer understand. So it is in like it works in one and zeros. One and zero are the only alphabets that binary and like numbers binary understand, nothing else. The computer works with this, and binary is like any number. It can be any number, for example 100, 64, 68, 54, 65, 67, 87. It can be anything. And binary can be, for example, 110, 1010, or sorry, 1010102. It can be literally anything. So now if I look over it, I'll show to you guys how to convert it. And this is the main question in year 9, year 10 and year 11. I need to know how this relates to flowcharts and binary logic too. Binary logic is in OCR GCSE course, I'm dead sure about that. And for example, now we are going to try the example of 58. So if you take 58, you have to divide it by 2. So by dividing it by 2, we'll get the answer. Let me think. 58 divided by 2 equals 29, I bet. Yeah, 29. So let me calculate it too to make it sure. So yeah, it is 29. Now let's decide what to do next. So it doesn't have a remainder. You can see that 29 doesn't have a remainder, so it will be 0. So if there is a remainder, then it will be 1. Now for example, I'll show it to you guys and I'll explain to you the logic. For example, 29.29 divided by 2 equals 14 something, 14.5. yeah, so it is equals, oh sorry, never mind, just 14.5, which will equals to, it will give, because there's a decimal, I will cut the 0.5 and put 1. So now I have 14, which is divided by 2, which I get 7. I get the answer 7, and now I put it as 1. Oh sorry, 0, 0, 0, because it has no remainder. Now if I analyze, 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5. 3.5 is a decimal, so it will give me 1. And as I know, 3 divided by 2 equal to about, like, 3 divided by 2 equals to 1.5. So 1.5 is a decimal, of course, as we know, and you get 1. And now you divide 1 over 2, which is not 0.5. 1 over 2, which is not 0.5. So not 0.5 gives me 1. So now I get 0.5 divided by 2, which gives me the answer 0.25, which is not like a proper remainder. It's not 0.5, so I will not get 1, I will get 0, because it's like not 0.5 and it's like a very small remainder, and I'm calculating it from a remainder. So not 0.2 from divided by 2 equals 0.25, I bet. Yeah, sorry for the messy handwriting, guys. 0.25, and now 0.25 is equals to like 0, because like I get the naught. So 0 divided by 0 is 0, of course, or 0 divided by 2 equals to 0, of course, because anything that is divided by 2 uh, is 0. So I get another 0, and now it is finished. So now I get the answer. Oh, I read it like back, like from downwards to upwards, so I get the answers. Oh, sorry, this is wrong, because I am intentionally writing it as down, like backwards, so you guys know this is wrong. So now I must like write it straight, so it goes downwards to upwards, which will be, and this is a mistake many common people do very often. So it's originally not 1 1 1 0 1 not. So this is the basically original structure, and now I'll show it to you and I'll prove it to you that this is the right calculation. So let's check. I'll go to the converter, yeah, and I've already put in it, and you guys can most probably see, but I'm gonna copy paste the results onto the bigger part. So let me show it to you. So you can see it is the same thing I wrote here. So you can check how to do it, and in exams you're not allowed to use converter, so basically you do it yourself. So with this knowledge that you divide by 2 and where it comes and how you do it, so you can literally solve any question like this related to denary, decimal numbers, whole numbers to binary form.